A warning to all those living along Lake Erie shore. Those high winds have resulted in a flood warning, which is now in effect until 4 a.m. That flooding expected for those along Route 5, Buffalo's Harbor and Dunkirk Harbor. And among those in the flood-prone zone is a Hamburg community that is no stranger to these types of conditions. The Hoover Beach neighborhood has boarded up and is bracing for those whipping winds and rising waters. Tonight, the voices of those in this community sharing their preparedness plans and why neighbors helping neighbors is essential when it comes to living along the lake.
With climate change, we're getting more frequent storms and more high-energy storms.
Hank Kleinfelder has lived at Hoover Beach for 6 years. He keeps the windows of his home facing Lake Erie boarded up until May. That's because he wants to be ready in case ice from the lake builds up and pushes towards the lake wall.
The lake freezes like this, that kind of protects the shoreline. But now you get some open water and a really high wind event, and they're calling for the possibility of a seiche with this event. We can have this ice all push up toward the shore.
A seiche happens when the lake levels rise in one region and lowers in another.
Cleveland lake levels will lower and the lake levels in Buffalo will go higher. So in that we've seen anywhere from 4-foot to 12-foot differences in over the course of years. Different storm events that we've had. The
last time it was this severe was 2019. These are images provided by the town of Hamburg Emergency Services. Sean Crotty manages the department.
So in 2019, the lake didn't have as much ice cover as it does this year. So that presented a whole different challenge. But the ice is breaking up out there. And if we do have a seiche, then the rise in the lake level will start to break up that ice. And then we'll start to see the shelving and the stacking of ice.
Meanwhile, Kleinfelder says that he and his neighbors are anticipating a max seiche of 5 feet.
We stick together as a community too, so we put out notices to each other, and we'll share information, and we'll stop by and see if we can be helpful to make recommendations for someone else if we see some areas where they may have they may be more vulnerable.
Is there a safety concern?
As long as it stays within the boundaries of the lake footprint, there isn't, as long as people stay off the ice. But once it starts to impede inshore and it starts to impede the seawalls, then obviously it presents a danger to the residents that have very close lying homes to the lake level.
The city of Buffalo is taking precaution against the wind as well. The Erie Basin Marina Tift Pier and Bird Island Pier will remain closed until 6 a.m. tomorrow.